So today I'm going to show you how you can upload a document on SchoolXpress. So you go first of all to SchoolXpress AI, that's SchoolXpress with the X. You go to more and then you go to login. Of course, if you have created an account, you probably have to go that first step. Try it for free and follow the steps. So I'm just going to log in with my account. So once you are logged in, you would see this page that tells you to upload a document. And you can upload a document or create a document in three ways. One of them is upload directly, create from photos, or connect the website. So I'm going to go upload a document. So I can, let's say I have a document on my laptop, and that document is this file. It's a particular court document. Typical use case, I'm maybe studying for an exam, and I can call this exam doc on legal cases. And I just train the AI, SchoolXpress AI, on this document. And it just takes a few seconds, about 15 seconds, and it learns everything in that document. So roughly within the next 15 seconds, you should see training completed. Yep, training successfully. So that's how you create the document. And once you're done creating the document, you can now interact with it, which I will show you in the next step. Now, create from photos. The way this works is basically you take a photograph. It can be a class note, it can be a blackboard, it can be anything. So I can say photo of my school board. And the great part about this is that this recognizes all kinds of handwriting. So I'm just going to show you how this works with my photos of a board right here and a photo of a note. So I can select multiple. In this instance, I just do extract and train, and it's going to read out the entire photograph, extract the content, and learn everything that's in there. Now, while that is going on, the next phase is going to be connecting a website or URL. So let's assume that I have an assignment on history of the Mayan Empire. So there's a website, a particular website on the Mayan Empire that I like to go to. So it's called culturalsurvival.org. It talks about the Mayans and a whole bunch of things about them. So I can try out that one, or I can just pick up a regular website. So just pretty much the Mayan website. And so I have a website that talks about the Mayans. So I have that right here. So I can call this document history of the Mayan civilization. And I just connect and train my SchoolXpress AI. So it connects on the website, goes in, reads everything, learns everything, and trains the large language model on on the content. So in a few seconds from now, we should see the website has been added to our training catalog, so we have information there. So that is how you upload content into SchoolXpress. The next steps, I'm going to show you how you can chat with the SchoolXpress platform. Catch you later. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how we can interact with the documents that we have just uploaded previously. So I'm going to go into the chat while in SchoolXpress. And first of all, the first document we uploaded was the last document we had, which was history of the Mayan civilization. You can see that from here. I can interact with this and have it summarize this content, and you see what it will come up with. So it tells you about the website and basically a whole bunch of things there. But I can not express because there's a whole bunch of metadata around it. So who were the Mayans? So the context from the document is what is used to answer this question. You can see that information is being answered right there, and it's providing that info and all of that, and it's giving you that, telling you about Chichen Itza, which is a beautiful place and all. Now, one of the key features I want to show you is the ability to interact in multiple languages. So remember the photo we took in the last video? I can come in here and ask it the same thing to explain the photo in detail, or to give me a summary, or I can talk to it in whatever way, and you can see it's actually breaking down that photo of my school board, and it tells you that this is some information about property and all of that. Now, the great aspect about this is that it speaks, so you could hear it now.
This document appears to be a set of notes related to various business considerations.
So you could, for those who are visually impaired, you can actually listen to this and have it interact. You can actually push the button right there and talk back to it, and it will respond. Now, another capability which I'm going to show you using this one is the ability to interact in multiple languages. So I'm going to say, for example, I'm a Japanese student, or let's say I'm Japanese. I can come in here and select the language, which is Japanese. Let me see where we have Japanese, and yeah, okay, I can just go and just type it in right there, Japanese, right there. And I asked you to give me a summary in Japanese, and you can see what it will come up with. Yep, and that is the summary in Japanese, and of course it's gonna.
以下は簡潔な要約です。カナダ自由
Now, one other feature about SchoolXpress that you may have noted is that SchoolXpress does active research for you. While it's generating the content, it's also showing you generating references. So you have references, you have citations, and relevant videos related to the context of what you're talking about or what you're conversing here, or the information that's being shown. So I'm able to pull this through, I'm able to go through this, and it helps me in my research work, and I can go further to other websites and check how this works. So yeah, that is the chat feature in SchoolXpress. It supports about 50 languages, and you can try out different features. Go on SchoolXpress.ai and test this out. Thank you. Show you is the ability to actually prep for tests or prep for question, what we call the question maker. So I select question maker from the menu, and how it works is that you select the file. It can be a learning content file, it can be any kind of file. So I'm just going to quickly show you this. So I'm taking this file right here, and I'm going to ask the AI on SchoolXpress to generate me 5 multiple choice questions regarding the information in this file. So it could be a text note, it could be a book, and if I type generate questions, and you will see quickly the first question comes out. What was the judgment for the case? This is a court case file. It gives you options and it tells you what the answer was. Who was the appellant in this case? It tells you all of that, and you can see how easy it is to generate questions. So this is a very, very useful feature. You're trying to prep for a test, an exam, just come in here, ask SchoolXpress to generate your questions. Thank you.